Filter change on a 13 square foot filter. Gonna suck down the machine. Pull off the motor deck. Watch your ground wire here. Just loosen these. You don't have to take them all the way off. Before you pull the ring, the ground wire that goes underneath the filter, we're just going to want to remove that, let that loose. Now we can remove the whole filter assembly. You can drop it on the side, pull your filter out. Don't worry about the pleats falling out. Remove all your pleats. There is a directionality of these. The flat part always goes down. Installing the new filter, make sure you grab your ground wire. The goal here is to get this metal ring to sit in this little groove down here. All right, now we're ready to grab our filter ring. Make sure your shaker goes towards the handlebar. Installing one of these into each pleat. All right, just give the filter a little help to let it sit in the groove there. I'm going to reinstall the motor, watching out for the ground wire. I'm not going to install the ground wire right now. I got to take this back off, but don't pinch the wire. Turn the machine on. Just make sure that our filter is seated down and installed properly all the way around. You'll be able to feel if that wire is sticking out. It's very noticeable. The reason I kept these undone is because if the filter doesn't get installed properly the first time, you're going to have to take it back off removing these. So leave these for last. Reinstall your ground wire in the front. Again, you don't need to over tighten any of this. Just go ahead and cinch it down. For final installation, I'm going to grab my motor deck, remembering to reinstall my ground wire. And the machine's ready to use again.